Today we're going to cover another 60% keyboard from Banggood, and it's going to be GamaKay MK61 with yellow optical switches, and it's going to be wired, so yeah, it's going to be interesting, but I did prefer the Bluetooth and wireless one, of course. Now, what's it all about and what are the specs, what kind of keycaps, well, detailed switches, what actual switches does it have? We're going to go right now. So first of all, the main specifications has hot swappable switches, 16.8 million RGB backlight colors, multi-platform compatible, wired, and this version I got here is white with PBT Double-shot keycaps. And this is something really outstanding and it looks really cool. And USB Type-C connectivity. Let's see the cable. Oh, we have loads of stuff here. Okay, so we have the white braided cable. We have two additional switches for testing. We have the brown Gateron switches. I think they're Gateron, yeah. And you have the blue or purple. I'm not quite sure which one are these. Keycap remover and switch remover as well. And of course, you get some additional manual for each function, so this is really cool to have, so you don't have to explore everything on the web. Now, talking with some main features or basically shortcuts: multimedia buttons for play, pause, previous, next, volume, mute, volume down, up, then insert from F1 to F12 as well. You have left, right, light down, user light mode, light up, down. Basically everything you can do with this keyboard. But before we go to the keyboard, let's check the cable out. So as I already said, it's braided, and I think this is paracord cable with angled USB Type-C connectivity, and I think you can straighten the cable quite nicely, as you can see right from the box. We don't need this. I'm interested in these switches, and that's why I asked them to send this specific model. Now, basically, oh man, they're so nice. We have the PBT Double-shot. Well, these are Pudding PBT Double-shot keycaps, and let's check out the switches beneath. Yellow Gateron optical switches, which are really quiet, and the keyboard is just outstanding with them because, first of all, it looks really nice and subtle, as any basically 60% keyboard. You have a GamaKay logo and written logo right here. 4 rubber pads at the bottom to keep the keyboard steady on your table. You have, of course, the serial number and the model number as well. On the left side, you have the USB Type-C connection. So basically, what you could do is use the angled cable and reroute it something like this, so you don't have to worry about some sort of a cable management, but that's something to consider after you buy it and connect everything to your PC. As I said, you have all the multimedia buttons, multifunctions. With FN, you can access the arrows. You can access from F to F1 to F12. You have the page up, page down, fast forward, fast backward, play, pause, mute, volume up and down. And of course, you have the possibility to adjust the lights on this keyboard. Now, since we're talking about Pudding PBT Double-shot keycaps, first of all, we have outstanding quality on the keycaps, and then we have, of course, the RGB lights or single color lights, depending how you like it, because they shine through the keycaps from where the signs are and basically all around, since the bottom part is, let's say, basically diffused. So when you turn on the lights, it would basically have a diffused light. Now, let's hear the yellow Gateron optical switches first. And now it's time to turn on the keyboard and check out the RGB lights. Now I have to admit, the RGB on this keyboard is outstanding. And first of all, you can see clearly all the keycaps, well, all the lettering, since the LEDs are on top, and the lettering and the LEDs are on top of the keycap, so you can clearly see everything. But the Pudding PBT Double-shot keycaps look outstanding since the RGB lights up on the side. I had a keyboard similar to this one in terms of white version and going with the lighter colors on the RGB. Now the lighter colors on the RGB kinda go nicely with the white version of the keyboard. If we went with the black version of the keyboard, it would have standard blue, dark red, dark green and similar stuff like that. But I think this is quite adjustable, so let's see. No, basically every single color is, let's say, in a lighter version. So you have the light green, you have the light blue with even lighter blue, whatever it is. You have two separate ways of going with a single color, yellowish with the FN and this is some sort of a backslash. You can change the coloring and the RGB lights as you wish, so it depends on your preferences. How are you going to turn on the RGB lights, and are they going to go crazy, or what are you going to do with it? So let's check out what's this all about. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it at RGB because these colors on the white version really look cool. So guys, yeah, I mean, really outstanding keyboard. First of all, the switches are remarkable. They aren't that they are clicky, but not that irritating, I would say, you know, because you have those razor irritating clicky switches, which I really don't like. And oh, here we go. And then you have these which basically force you to type. I think I already mentioned that in one video, but nevertheless, the RGB is insane, especially because we have the Pudding PBT Double-shot keycaps. You have removable switches, removable keycaps. You get the keycap and the switch remover as well, and additional 2 switches for testing out the brown and blue or purple one as you wish. So I'm placing the links below for GamaKay MK61 60% mechanical keyboard with Gateron switches. You can choose which ones do you want. This is the white version with white PBT, Pudding PBT Double-shot keycaps, quality, angled USB Type-C connection to your PC. It's not wireless, it's wired, and you can check all of that in the Banggood link below with the coupon with a discount. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button if you like the video. Leave a comment if you, I don't know, like the 60% TKL version or the full-size keyboards, and what is your next purchase when it comes to mechanical keyboards. And I'll see you in another one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.